Have you ever asked yourself, is there any place left on Earth that is truly a forbidden zone for humanity? The answer is Antarctica, the coldest, driest, windiest, and undoubtedly the most mysterious continent on the planet. Imagine a land of 14 million square kilometers, where 98% of the surface is buried under ice averaging over 2,000 meters thick. In some places, it's nearly 5 kilometers deep. It's like standing on top of a gigantic freezer that holds 70% of Earth's fresh water. Temperatures drop to minus 50 degrees Celsius on average, and the inland plateaus can hit a bone-chilling minus 70. It gets less rain than the Sahara Desert, and winds have been clocked at 320 kilometers per hour, strong enough to blow an entire convoy of snowmobiles off the map. Step just a few hundred meters from a research base without a tether, and you could vanish forever in a blinding whiteout. But here is the twist. Beneath that layer of death lies a world of secrets that has the scientific community holding its breath. Hidden deep under thousands of meters of ice is a completely different world, a liquid water world. We're talking about over 400 freshwater lakes, thousands of kilometers of underground rivers, and massive waterways the human eye has never seen. In 2018, scientists discovered a subglacial river 460 kilometers long, flowing as fiercely as a miniature Amazon, connecting a series of these lakes. The amazing part? These lakes stay liquid despite the freezing temperatures outside. The secret lies in the colossal pressure from the ice above, acting like a natural pressure cooker, combined with geothermal heat rising from the continent's bedrock and the constant flow that prevents freezing. The shining star of this underground system is Lake Vostok, buried 4 kilometers beneath the Russian research station. This lake is massive, 12,500 square kilometers, holding enough water to fill 3 huge lakes, and it has been completely isolated from the outside world for at least 14 to 25 million years. In 2012, a Russian team drilled through nearly 3,800 meters of ice to retrieve the first water sample. The result? Thousands of microbial species were found alive, and some had DNA that didn't match anything known on Earth. In 2025, new drilling projects at Lake Mercer and Lake Whillans brought back tiny multicellular creatures like crustaceans and tardigrades, water bears, with their limbs perfectly intact, looking as if they had just fallen asleep yesterday. Move out to the seas surrounding Antarctica, and you encounter a frozen underwater rainforest. The key player here is the Antarctic krill. These tiny crustaceans are only 5 to 6 centimeters long, but their total biomass is 500 million tons, outweighing the entire human population. They fuel an ecosystem of giants, whales, seals, penguins, and colossal squids over 10 meters long. In 2023, a Chinese expedition in the Amundsen Sea filmed transparent fish with visible organs, giant red jellyfish 13 meters long, and octopuses far larger than normal. It's as if the creatures of Antarctica are experiencing collective giantism due to the abundance of food. The deeper we dig into the past, the more Antarctica shocks us. We have found dozens of dinosaur skeletons here, from the armored Antarctopelta, Antarctic ankylosaur, 5 meters long with its shield and tail spikes, to the teeth of 8-meter-long relatives of the allosaur, top predators of the prehistoric world. We've even found eggs and juvenile bones, proving they didn't just visit, they lived and reproduced here. How did dinosaurs survive the cold? The answer is continental drift. 60 to 150 million years ago, Antarctica wasn't at the South Pole. It was located at lower latitudes, boasting a warm climate of 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, covered with lush rainforests, ancient pines, ferns, and the first flowering plants. It wasn't until the continent drifted completely to the pole and froze over 34 million years ago that everything was sealed beneath the permafrost. But Antarctica still holds too many unlocked secrets. We have explored less than 30% of the subglacial lake system. As the ice melts by the trillions of tons each year, it could wake up ancient viruses to which humanity has no immunity. Yet the creatures down there are also a treasure chest for medicine. Antifreeze proteins, the ability to live without oxygen or light. These secrets could help us conquer Mars or even cure cancer in the future. Antarctica isn't a forbidden zone because of monsters or aliens guarding it. It is forbidden because nature set the harshest limits possible to protect Earth's most precious time capsule. Every meter of ice is a page of history. Every drop of subglacial water is a miracle of survival. See you all in the next video. Don't forget to smash that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss the next cosmic secret.